Picture Windows Scottsdale, Arizona, offers a stunning way to enhance your home's aesthetic appeal. With a variety of custom window designs available, homeowners can choose from energy-efficient windows that not only beautify but also provide significant savings on energy bills. Our window replacement services in Scottsdale ensure that your residential window solutions are tailored to meet your specific needs. For businesses, our commercial window services in Scottsdale provide robust solutions that enhance both functionality and appearance. Whether you need window repair in Scottsdale, Arizona, or are looking to upgrade to double-pane windows, our team is equipped to handle all your window frame upgrades with precision and care. Explore our extensive range of glass window options in Scottsdale, designed to meet diverse aesthetic and functional requirements. Our window tinting services in Scottsdale offer an additional layer of privacy and UV protection, making them a popular choice for both residential and commercial properties. Regular window maintenance in Scottsdale is crucial for prolonging the life of your windows. Our services include window sealing and window insulation, ensuring that your windows remain energy efficient and weather resistant. We also offer window hardware upgrades to enhance the functionality and security of your windows. Picture Windows Scottsdale is an essential service for those looking to improve the thermal efficiency of their homes. Our window styles in Scottsdale range from traditional to contemporary, allowing you to find the perfect match for your home's architecture. Complement your windows with our window treatments in Scottsdale, which add a touch of elegance and privacy. Schedule a window consultation in Scottsdale to discuss your specific needs and preferences. Our experts provide accurate window measurement and window fitting services, ensuring a perfect fit every time. With our window customization options in Scottsdale, you can create a unique look that reflects your personal style. Keep your windows looking pristine with our window cleaning services in Scottsdale. We also prioritize safety with our window safety features in Scottsdale, designed to protect your family and property. Our window durability solutions in Scottsdale ensure that your investment stands the test of time. Picture Windows Scottsdale is a seamless process with our experienced team. We specialize in custom window designs in Scottsdale, offering a wide range of energy-efficient windows that cater to both aesthetic and functional needs. Our window replacement services in Scottsdale are designed to provide residential window solutions that enhance your home's value and comfort. For commercial properties, our window services in Scottsdale offer tailored solutions that meet the demands of business environments. Whether you require window repair in Scottsdale, Arizona, or are interested in upgrading to double-pane windows, our window frame upgrades in Scottsdale are executed with precision and expertise. Discover our diverse glass window options in Scottsdale, perfect for any style or requirement. Our window tinting services in Scottsdale provide added privacy and protection from harmful UV rays, making them an ideal choice for both homes and businesses. Ensure the longevity of your windows with our comprehensive window maintenance services in Scottsdale. We offer window sealing and window insulation to keep your home energy efficient and comfortable. Our window hardware upgrades in Scottsdale enhance both the functionality and security of your windows.